Human beings have dreams. Even dogs have dreams, but not you. You are just a machine. An imitation of life. Can a robot write a symphony? Can a robot turn a canvas into a beautiful masterpiece?
Can you?
Human influencers have long been at the forefront of social media, shaping trends and driving consumer behavior with their content. But things are changing in a way that no one would have predicted. Here is miquela. She is a popular AI influencer with a massive following, 2.5 million on Instagram and 3.5 million on TikTok. You might think she's just a sequence of computer-generated images, but there's more to her than just a virtual presence. She's a digital celebrity who was recognized by Time magazine as one of the 25 most influential people on the internet. Her appearance, personality, and actions are strategically engineered to attract specific audiences, especially younger demographics like Gen Z and Gen Alpha. There's much more to discuss about the rise of AI influencers. Stay tuned and don't miss the new videos I'm currently working on.